See how easy that is? Pops right out. Okay, let's get the other one down here. There it is. They both popped out. Now, what I did on the other side, I've already popped it out and placed it back in just to show. But after that, you just pull here. See this clip? I pulled forward. Sorry. See this? You push. There, it lets go. You're gonna see a little bit of rubber silicone in that. You just I'll hold this like this and we'll just pull away here. Alright. See? There it is. Gotta get rough, but it's off. I did the same on the other side. So you have to do that on each side, then you're gonna attach that to your new bumper. Just like this one over here. This one will pull right off because I already unclipped it out of there. Just like that. So make sure you save these two parts. These two plus the weather stripping.